Do you have some bananas at home? Let's do this together. Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to make banana smoothie or banana ice cream from basic ingredients you can lay your hands on at home. My name is Oluwatunseyi. You're welcome to my channel and you're welcome to another series of smoothies and juices. Kindly stick around to the end of this video because I have a bonus for you. I will share a bonus clip with you. Let's get the ingredients and do the preparation without wasting time. We will make use of this bunch that contains 8 bananas. You want to make sure they are ripe, but not too ripe. Okay? Get your baking sheet or parchment paper to line the tray. Now let's do the peeling, slicing and freezing. It is best to slice the bananas before freezing. It makes the whole process easy. I must also say that peeling before freezing is the best because once your banana is frozen, peeling becomes difficult. And if you've got bananas frozen and stored in the freezer, probably to avoid wastage because they're all ripe, or you actually store them in the freezer to save time each time you want to make a smoothie or ice cream, this is the time to bring them out and let's do this recipe together. All these will be put in the freezer to freeze. Get the blender, pour the sliced bananas into the blender cup. If you have a processor, use it, but if you don't, you can use a blender just like what I have here. The two machines are fine. Well, I just think the processor does it faster. If you have other reasons why you prefer the use of processor, you can please comment below. You will need 1 cup of powdered milk for this recipe. You can use evaporated milk. The choice is yours to make, but I will keep the ingredients as basic as possible. Add 1 cup of water. If you are using evaporated milk, the liquid milk, you will not need to add water. Blend until smooth. You can use all the water, but I will use half of this for a start. If it requires more for the blender blade to move, I will add the remaining half. This is fine. So I used half cup of water in all. And that's all. To my wonderful viewers out there, thanks for always coming back to view new episodes. If you are new to this channel, thanks for stopping by. Kindly click the subscribe button to subscribe. It's absolutely free. Then turn on the notification bell and click all so that each time I post a video, you will be among the first to be notified. If you freeze the bananas, you will not need to add ice cubes. Also, you will get a sticky and creamy texture. I'm talking about the consistency. Once you bring them out from the freezer, you try to process it quickly. If you want to be able to scoop it, put it in the freezer for about 2 to 2.5 hours. This is what I got after freezing. The color changes. That is oxidation right there. The blended banana has mixed with air in the freezer. This usually occurs when the container is not covered or it is not airtight. That's when not properly or completely covered. But the color change does not mean the smoothie has gone bad. It is still fit for consumption. Leave a portion of the smoothie in a blender. Now to the bonus. How about you taking this banana smoothie to another level by adding some color and flavor to it? Don't worry, we are not going to add any artificial color or flavor. We shall keep it all natural. Let's consider adding some healthy strands of vegetables and some other things to make this ice cream attain this next level. I would like to add an avocado to a portion of this smoothie, so I'll peel the avocado and set aside. Add the avocado into the blender cup. I will also add some little veggies, some lettuce, some mint leaves, some celery. All these are added in small amounts. Blend everything together until smooth. Get your baking pan or another container that can serve as a mold, or any container at all. Pour the flavored smoothie on one side of the pan, then pour the first one we made and brought out of the freezer in the other side of the pan and let it overlap. If you were making banana ice cream, you can get popsicle makers like this, fill them up and place in the freezer. When you make yours, you can give it your preferred name: banana ice cream, banana milkshake, banana smoothie, banana puree, and so on. All this will be put in the freezer to freeze, then we can call it banana ice cream. And if you don't like taking chilled or cold drinks, you can take it as banana smoothie or banana milkshake. Okay, banana smoothie is high in potassium, rich in vitamin B, vitamin C. It helps improve immunity. It helps heart and brain health. You can wrap this with a plastic wrap to refrigerate and consume later. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share to friends and family. Yes, this is our banana smoothie with 2 flavors or 2 colors or 2 tastes of sweetness. If you don't like it bare or plain this way, you can add some bits of crunchiness to it by adding some fruits, seeds or nuts to it, like chopped peanuts. If you want the consistency to be thicker, you can add more ice cubes or make sure the bananas are completely frozen before blending. Then you can reduce the milk. Is there any difference between the making of banana smoothie and banana ice cream? Please kindly comment below. Kindly leave a like if you find value in any part of this video. Thank you. I'll see you again. Stay safe, stay blessed. Bye.